delicious.
There is no escape.
No escape.
At the bottom, there is no getting out of this. Okay, let's go for it. Come on. Come on, be sweet.
The 5 seconds bullshit.
Come on. Let's buffer faster.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, really? Oh, you are a dirty whore.
Really?
Yeah.
They all look like dirty whores.
True. Their nose is there. What? No.
What? They do?
I'm not.
Skip. There we go.
Skip it. All right.
Here we go. Okay.
Still gonna take forever to buffer.
Regardless.
Is this Chrome?
Yeah.
No, it's oh, Chrome.
What? Are we
Don't be worse than me.
Did you guys? Did you guys?
What did you expect?
Open Gangnam Style.
That's awesome.
Gangnam Style.
You're trying to hack more into it.
No, I'm trying to find out how this can walk
That's talent. That kid. Oh. Well, no, look.
Stare at the midget. Stare at the midget.
Look at that talented man.
There's already food.
Is this food?
Smack you like your computer at home. You guys are stuck. No, it's not. I don't know who that is. Yeah, I can believe it. He's 34 years old. That's fine. That is a good screen caption. It's like, woo, this newspaper feels so good. Newspaper crutch?
You guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is why you get regular Vending machines.
Yeah, this is why you can't give us.
This is why we can't
This
capture
is the first time that this screen has been awesome.
That's a good screen.
Yeah. Look at Puddle Buddies. They're playing shogi.
I was wondering if they were playing Shogi or Go.
It's shogi. The board's too small to be Go.
All right.
They don't have
The little pots.
Let's go get that shot. Look at that. Now watch these old guys explode. They explode. It's the old guys that explode. Because the game of shogi was so powerful.
They're just standing there looking at
Hit
them.
it again.
Come on.
You didn't even.
It knows better. That's delayed, but also.
Come on!
Aww. Start from the beginning.
Come on, I'm already recording this.
Well, we're starting from the
Start
beginning.
another one.